from Jami Jo Sells Wax, and I am so excited to come to you guys today because I need to unbox my latest order. This has some of my customer orders in it, but also some fun stuff that I got for myself as a preview that I want to show you guys. But first, let me tell you a little bit about myself. Like I said, my name is Jami Jo, and I have been selling Scentsy since all the way back in 2008. I started out as a Scentsy customer, fell in love with the product so much that I decided to just jump on board and share the products with my friends. I fell in love with them for 3 different reasons. The first is because they were completely safe. I was a public school teacher at the time, and they were safe enough to use in my classroom, also in my home, around my own kids, around my pets. So they were completely safe. They worked. That was the second reason. These products absolutely worked. They totally cured that lovely scent of after recess on a hot Oklahoma day. And the third reason I fell in love with Scentsy is because the products were so super affordable. And on a public school teacher salary, I can actually afford to buy the products. So for those 3 reasons, I fell in love, became a consultant, and now not only do I love to share and sell Scentsy, but also I have a team of thousands of consultants that I love to help mentor and help them build their own Scentsy businesses so they can live a life by their design, just like I've been able to do. So if that intrigues you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you'll always know about the new stuff. And if you ever decide to give Scentsy a go, you'll be able to find me and reach out to me if you have any questions. But guys, hello, fun stuff. You'll notice I just opened it enough to see the packing slip to see what was in here, but I have not dug into this yet. There are new fragrances in here that I have not even smelled. I'm so excited. First of all, Scentsy does such an awesome job of packing our orders so that everything is protected. They do use a lot of this paper. What I love about it is it's recyclable. Also, I know some public school art teachers that love to have that paper too. So sometimes I save it for them if they let me know that they need some more. So, first of all, I am pulling out a couple fragrance flowers. I absolutely love these fragrance flowers. This is a brand new option for a fragrance flower in Sun-Kissed Citrus. This is part of our Epcot collection. So I'm gonna do a whole nother video about the Epcot collection. There's some more stuff in this box that's part of that too. So I'll give you all the details about that in a completely separate video. Oh, this is for some of my Easter eggs that I'm doing. These are buddy clips. How cute is this one? This is a new one. Summer, the sea turtle. How cute is she? And she's in the scent Aloha Citrus. Just smells like summertime. Smells so good. So these little buddy clips, cutest little thing for like a backpack or a diaper bag. But I had offered to my customers to put them in little Easter eggs with some fun little goodies and stuff like that in there. So if you're intrigued to know about those special things that I offer to my customers, make sure that you find me on social media, because that's how you'll find out about that. Oh, this is the brand new Harry Potter buddy clip. So you can see I'm a Harry Potter fan. I've got Hedwig up here. I've got my Hogwarts castle. This is the newest addition to the Harry Potter line. Guys, oh my gosh. I got a sneak peek of this at World Tour not long ago, but this is the first one that I've got. How adorable is that? If you are a Harry Potter fan, you know exactly what the golden snitch is. If you don't know what a golden snitch is, it is part of the game Quidditch that they play in Harry Potter World at Hogwarts and other schools. But the golden snitch, if you catch this guy, you have won the game. So this is really cool. And it is fragranced with the Harry Potter scent. Wizarding World Harry Potter, which is, it's definitely a masculine scent. I absolutely love it. I've been warming it in a couple different areas of my house, but that buddy clip is brand new. So exciting. Couple more buddy clips in here. Oh, how cute is this one? It's a little cactus. Look how fun. And the scent is prickly pear and agave. So stinky cute. Ooh, that's really yummy and fresh. I don't think I've ever warmed that scent. I'm gonna have to put that in my rotation. So cute. Again, just a fun little toy to clip on a backpack, or a lot of people put those on their rearview mirror in their car too. And there's another golden snitch. We already looked at that. Okay, so that's all of the buddy clips. I have a couple scent circles in here. Lake My Day. I ordered these for myself. This is my new favorite scent of the brand new line for spring and summer, and I wanted to try this fragrance in my car. It's a very, very masculine yet fresh scent. Lake My Day. Let's see what the description is. Oh, refreshing lake waves lap peacefully over crisp bergamot and fresh oak moss. So a very masculine yet earthy smell with that bergamot and oak moss. So these are for me. Cool thing is, when I place an order like this, if it's just for my regular customers, I get to use all the Hostess rewards myself. So that's a fun little perk. So I got some freebies and half price items in this. This is Pina Colada Cha-Cha. My friend Carrie wanted a couple bars of this. She said she had a scent circle in her car in this scent. And when her husband got in the car, he was like, why does our house not smell like that? So she called me and she was like, Jamie, gotta get me some bars of Pina Colada Cha-Cha. So there are those. Let's see what else we have. Go-Go Mango. Oh, I had one of my newer customers reach out to me and want me to order a bar of this 100 Acre Wood. It's been a long time since I've smelled this. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see what's in that 100 Acre Wood. It's very light. Grab your favorite hand and wander through a friendly forest swirling with cotton blossoms, wild jasmine, and sweet, cozy vanilla. I would have thought there would have been some honey in there. Definitely light. This would be great for a nursery. Great for a little baby room. Maybe even a laundry room. I've never warmed that, and honestly, it's been so long since I've smelled that. So thanks, Matt. I'm glad you ordered that, because I haven't smelled it in a while. Havana Cabana, Johnny Appleseed, just like the quintessential summer scent. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is the Easter collection and the Epcot collection. Squeeze the Day. This is for my little yellow car. I have a little yellow convertible and she's been covered up for the winter season, but it's just about time to take that cover off, get her all cleaned up for these beautiful sunshiny days, and she was gonna need a new car bar. I love to color match with that car, so the bright yellow. And Squeeze the Day is just lemony and sunshiny and fun, so it's a great scent option for that car. So that's why I got that. Okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to tell you guys about these bars or if I want to do a completely different video about this Easter collection and about the Epcot collection. Oh, guys, I think they're gonna need their own video. I really do. So I'm gonna set those to the side. I'm gonna do a completely separate video for you guys about the Epcot collection, about the Easter collection, because there's some really cute stuff coming out. So like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this. If you want to see that other stuff, I'll post it tomorrow or maybe the day after that. But like and subscribe. Just a reminder, if you want to check out any of this stuff or if you want to place an order, there's two ways to do it. You can text me at 918-888-9690, or you can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. I want to know, of what I unboxed today, which one of these items would you like to have? So comment that below. Tell me which of the items I unboxed today you would like to have. Like, subscribe, and just a reminder, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and give you a little sneak peek of the new stuffs I just unboxed. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.